Hey guys, Steve Crawford here with Cavity Sliders. I'm the regional sales manager in the Northeast. I'm here in a beautiful home in the North Shore of Long Island, showing off some beautiful bi-parting pocket doors. As you can see, we're in a big, long hallway here in a custom build. No room for swing doors, obviously. And this is just a perfect application for bi-parting pocket doors. You can see our beautiful, robust frames. These are our 2x6 ultimate pocket frames. They provide stability in your pocket wall here. One of the most important features of our pocket system is the notch in our track here, which allows our beautiful 500-pound ball bearing trolleys to easily be installed, along with our soft close mechanism. And this just allows a nice, easy install. So this is just an example of an oversized pocket door and why Cavity Sliders is really your go-to choice. 8.0 by 42-inch wide pocket door. They incorporated our soft close, soft open feature for this door, which is no problem for doors up to 350 pounds. If you're in Long Island, call Riverhead Building Supply, get your Cavity Sliders.